Have you ever gently pinched the skin under your upper arm? Notice how quickly it returns to its normal position. Many people assume loose skin in this area is only caused by fat or age, but the reality is more complex. The firmness of your skin depends on collagen, elastin, and healthy circulation working together. Over the years, collagen naturally declines, elastin loses its flexibility, and fluid drainage can become less efficient. As these changes build up, the skin may begin to look thinner, looser, or crepey. That's why simply exercising the arm muscles doesn't always create the tighter appearance people expect. The skin itself also changes with time. I once met an older woman whose arms looked remarkably smooth and firm despite not following a regular strength training routine for many years. Curious about her results, I asked what she had been doing differently. She shared that she consistently applied a series of simple homemade mixtures every evening. According to her, she started noticing visible improvements within a couple of weeks. That conversation inspired me to explore the science behind ingredients commonly used in traditional skincare. Some natural ingredients may help support hydration, improve the skin's appearance, and protect it from environmental damage. While no homemade remedy can instantly rebuild collagen or permanently tighten loose skin, consistent skincare, proper nutrition, sun protection, and a healthy lifestyle can all contribute to healthier-looking skin over time. In the next section, I'll explain one of the most interesting mixtures, why people use it, and what scientific evidence actually says about its potential benefits. Be sure to stay until the end, and let me know your age and country in the comments so I can better understand who's watching. Number 5. Banana, Greek yogurt, and oat mask. The fifth remedy combines 3 simple ingredients that each support your skin in a different way. Together, ripe banana, plain Greek yogurt, and finely ground oats create a nourishing mask that helps your upper arm skin look smoother and healthier over time. Start with 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of plain full-fat Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of finely ground oats. Each ingredient contributes something unique to the mixture. Bananas are naturally rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps maintain proper moisture balance inside skin cells. Well-hydrated skin often appears softer, fuller, and less crepey, giving the arms a healthier-looking texture. Greek yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA. This natural exfoliant helps remove dull, dead skin cells from the surface while encouraging fresh skin to appear. With regular use, this process can leave the skin looking smoother, brighter, and more refined. Ground oats complete the recipe by helping calm and comfort the skin. They contain natural compounds that are known for their soothing properties, making them especially useful for dry or irritated skin while supporting the skin's protective barrier. To prepare the mask, mash 1 ripe banana until completely smooth. Mix in the Greek yogurt and ground oats, then stir until you have a thick, creamy paste. Apply the mixture over your entire upper arm using gentle upward motions. Leave it on for about 25 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water. The cool rinse can leave the skin feeling refreshed and temporarily more toned. For best results, apply this mask once each evening for 15 consecutive days. Consistency is the key. As the skin is regularly exfoliated, hydrated, and nourished, many people notice that their arms gradually feel softer, smoother, and appear more even in texture. While natural remedies are not an instant solution for loose skin, using this mask alongside a balanced diet, adequate hydration, daily sun protection, and regular exercise can help improve the overall appearance of your skin over time. Now let's move on to number 4, where you'll discover another simple homemade remedy made with just 2 everyday ingredients. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future health and skincare tips. Number 4, green tea and coconut oil serum. Our 4th remedy combines 2 well-known natural ingredients that work together to help protect the skin from everyday environmental stress. This simple serum blends concentrated green tea with virgin coconut oil to deeply nourish the skin while supporting a smoother, healthier appearance. Green tea is rich in natural plant compounds called catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. These compounds are recognized for their powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help defend the skin against free radicals, unstable molecules produced by sunlight, pollution, and other environmental factors that contribute to premature skin aging. When free radicals build up over time, they can gradually weaken the skin's natural support structure, making it appear less firm and more prone to fine lines. Using antioxidant-rich ingredients may help reduce this damage and support healthier-looking skin. Virgin coconut oil complements green tea by acting as a deeply moisturizing carrier oil. Its natural fatty acids help soften dry skin and improve the skin barrier while allowing the beneficial compounds from the green tea to spread evenly across the skin. Together, these ingredients leave the arms feeling hydrated, smooth, and refreshed. To prepare the serum, steep 2 green tea bags in half a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes to create a strong infusion. Allow the tea to cool completely before mixing in 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. If the coconut oil has solidified, warm it gently until it becomes liquid, then stir well until the mixture is fully combined. Massage the serum onto your arms using slow, upward strokes for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on so the skin has enough time to absorb the nourishing ingredients naturally instead of rinsing it away immediately. For the best routine, apply this serum every morning for 15 consecutive days. Morning use helps keep the skin moisturized throughout the day while providing antioxidant support against daily environmental exposure. With regular application, many people notice their skin becoming softer, smoother, and better hydrated. As healthy skincare habits continue over time, the overall appearance of the arms may gradually improve, giving the skin a fresher and more cared-for look. Now let's move on to number 3, where another easy homemade remedy uses everyday kitchen ingredients to help nourish and revitalize your skin. If you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future skincare and wellness content. Number 3, Egg White, Honey, and Lemon Firming Mask. Now we're moving into one of the most popular homemade skin treatments on this list. This mask combines egg whites, raw honey, and fresh lemon juice to create a simple blend that helps the skin feel firmer, while also providing nourishment with regular use. The first ingredient is egg white, which is rich in natural proteins, including albumin. As the mask dries, it forms a thin layer over the skin that creates an immediate tightening sensation. This temporary effect can leave the skin looking smoother and more toned after each application. Raw honey adds another important benefit. It is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and locks moisture into the skin. Honey is also rich in beneficial enzymes, antioxidants, and amino acids that help keep the skin soft, hydrated, and healthy looking. Well-moisturized skin often appears firmer and more youthful than dry, dehydrated skin. Fresh lemon juice completes the mixture by supplying vitamin C, an essential nutrient involved in the body's natural collagen production. Vitamin C is widely recognized for supporting healthy skin and improving overall skin appearance. Since lemon juice is naturally acidic, only a small amount should be used to help minimize the chance of irritation. To prepare the mask, separate 2 egg whites from the yolks and whisk them until they become light and slightly foamy. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix everything well until you have a smooth, even consistency. Apply a generous layer over both upper arms, especially in areas where the skin appears loose or uneven. Within a few minutes, you'll notice the mask beginning to dry, creating a gentle tightening feeling. Leave it on for around 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. After washing, gently pat the skin dry with a soft towel rather than rubbing it. For best results, use this mask every other day over a period of 15 days. Giving your skin a day of rest between applications allows it to remain comfortable while continuing a consistent skincare routine. With regular use, many people find that their skin feels smoother, looks more refreshed, and appears better hydrated. While natural masks cannot permanently tighten loose skin or replace medical treatments, they can become a helpful part of a healthy skincare routine when combined with good nutrition, hydration, sun protection, and regular exercise. Coming up next is number 2, a simple homemade remedy that many people consider one of the most effective combinations in this countdown. Number 2, rosehip oil, vitamin E, and shea butter cream. Now we've reached one of the richest and most nourishing remedies in this countdown. This homemade cream combines rosehip seed oil, vitamin E oil, and raw shea butter to deeply moisturize the skin while supporting a smoother and healthier looking appearance over time. Rosehip seed oil has become a favorite ingredient in skincare because it naturally contains vitamin A compounds along with essential fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutrients are widely recognized for helping improve skin texture and promoting a more youthful appearance when used consistently. Vitamin E oil works alongside rosehip oil by providing powerful antioxidant protection. It helps defend the skin from environmental stress while supporting the skin's natural moisture barrier. Well-hydrated skin often feels softer, looks healthier, and appears firmer than skin that is dry or dehydrated. Raw shea butter completes the formula by acting as a rich moisturizer packed with natural fatty acids and plant compounds. It helps soften rough skin, reduces dryness, and locks in moisture for hours, making it an excellent overnight treatment. To prepare the cream, Place 3 tablespoons of raw, unrefined shea butter into a bowl. Soften it gently by setting the bowl in warm water until the butter becomes easy to mix. Add 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil and 1 teaspoon of pure vitamin E oil. Whip the ingredients together until they form a smooth, creamy texture similar to a rich body butter. Before going to bed, apply a generous amount of the cream over both upper arms. Massage it into the skin using slow, upward circular motions for 3 to 4 minutes. This gentle massage helps spread the cream evenly while making the routine feel relaxing and enjoyable. Leave the cream on overnight so the moisturizing ingredients have plenty of time to absorb into the skin. Wash your arms as usual the following morning during your regular shower. When used consistently for 15 days, many people notice that their skin feels softer, looks more hydrated, and develops a smoother texture. While natural skincare products cannot permanently tighten loose skin or replace professional dermatological treatments, regular moisturizing combined with a healthy diet, proper hydration, sun protection, and exercise can significantly improve the overall appearance of the skin. And now we've arrived at number 1, the final homemade remedy in this countdown. It combines carefully selected natural ingredients that have made it one of the most talked about skincare recipes for achieving healthier, smoother, and more youthful-looking arms. Stay with me, because this last one is definitely worth seeing. Number 1. Coffee and coconut skin polish. We've finally reached the last remedy on the list. This simple homemade scrub combines coffee grounds, virgin coconut oil, and a small amount of cinnamon to create an exfoliating treatment that leaves the skin feeling smoother, softer, and more refreshed after regular use. The key ingredient is coffee. Coffee naturally contains caffeine, a compound that has attracted significant attention in skincare research because of its antioxidant properties. When applied to the skin, caffeine may help reduce the effects of environmental stress while supporting a healthier-looking complexion. One of caffeine's most interesting qualities is its ability to temporarily improve the appearance of the skin by promoting a refreshed, energized look. Combined with gentle massage, it can also help stimulate surface circulation, leaving the skin feeling revitalized after each treatment. Virgin coconut oil balances the scrub by providing deep hydration. Its natural fatty acids help soften rough skin, strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and reduce dryness after exfoliation. Instead of leaving the skin stripped, it helps maintain a smooth and nourished feel. A small amount of ground cinnamon is added to complete the blend. Besides its pleasant natural aroma, cinnamon contains plant compounds that may contribute to a warming sensation during massage, making the skincare routine feel even more refreshing. Because cinnamon can be irritating for sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to perform a patch test before applying the scrub more broadly. To prepare the mixture, combine 4 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir everything together until you have a thick, grainy paste. Massage the scrub onto your upper arms using slow circular motions for about 5 minutes on each arm. The gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells from the surface, allowing the skin to feel smoother and appear brighter. After massaging, leave the mixture on for another 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Finish with a cool water rinse for a refreshing finish. Use this scrub 2 or 3 times each week rather than every day to avoid over-exfoliating the skin. With consistent use, many people notice their arms becoming softer, smoother, and more even in texture. Pairing this routine with daily moisturizing, proper hydration, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sun protection can further support healthy-looking skin. That completes our list of 6 simple homemade skincare recipes designed to help improve the appearance and texture of your arms. While natural ingredients cannot permanently tighten loose skin or replace professional medical treatments, they can become a valuable part of a consistent self-care routine. Choose the recipe that best fits your needs, or alternate between a few of them throughout the week. The most important ingredient isn't found in the bowl, it's consistency. Small habits practiced regularly often deliver the most noticeable long-term results. If you enjoyed this video and found these skincare tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural beauty and wellness content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.